The 2025 BMW X7 is the pinnacle of full-size luxury SUVs, blending bold design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional comfort into a commanding presence on the road. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the X7 impresses with its massive kidney. Grille, redesigned LED headlights, and sculpted hood that announces power and prestige. The Century Edition, in particular, introduces exclusive design touches and premium materials that elevate this SUV to an elite level of sophistication. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW X7 offers a range of potent engine options, including a turbocharged inline-six and a powerful V8 with mild hybrid technology. These powertrains deliver smooth acceleration, effortless highway cruising, and enough torque for confident off-road and towing capabilities. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction in any condition, while adaptive air suspension guarantees a balanced and comfortable ride. Whether you're gliding over city streets or tackling rugged terrain, step inside and the cabin of the X7 feels more like a first-class lounge than a vehicle. The interior is meticulously crafted with soft-touch materials, real wood or aluminum trim, and full-grain leather upholstery. The Century Edition adds exclusive badging, refined color schemes, and hand-stitched details that set it apart. A massive curved display dominates the dashboard, integrating a digital instrument cluster and a responsive infotainment touchscreen powered by the latest iDrive system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. Passengers are treated to exceptional comfort in all three rows. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats are available for both front and rear occupants. The second row captain's chairs or bench configuration offer versatility, while third row seating provides ample room for adults, a rare quality in many SUVs. A panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and a premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system complete the luxury atmosphere. Safety and driver assistance are front and center in the 2025 BMW X7. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, parking assist, and a 360-degree camera system come standard or are available depending on the trim. The latest autonomous driving technology allows for hands-free driving in certain conditions, showcasing BMW's dedication to both innovation and security. At the rear, the powered tailgate opens to a spacious cargo area with split folding rear seats for added flexibility. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or loading up for a shopping trip, the X7 offers all the space and convenience you could ask for. The 2025 BMW X7 is not just an SUV, it's a statement. It's for those who demand performance without compromise, luxury without limits, and innovation without hesitation. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the backseat, the X7 delivers a refined and commanding experience that stands at the top of its class.